Hi guys, Salwanani, welcome to Avarese Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Amasi fried chicken. First things first, I'm seasoning my chicken with some salt. I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Next I'm adding half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, some mixed herbs about a teaspoon, and a crack of black pepper. Now I'm adding about 100 ml of Amasi, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that through and make sure everything is coated nicely. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up in cling film and marinate it for 4 to 24 hours. So here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to go ahead and season it with some salt, a crack of black pepper, a teaspoon of chili flakes, and some hot curry powder. Now I'm going to add the flour into a tray and go ahead and add my chicken wings in there and make sure they're well coated. You also want to be careful and do your chicken in batches so as to not leave the flour to get soggy. Now I'm going to go ahead and fry the chicken wings for about 5 to 10 minutes until they are nice and crisp on the outside and golden brown. Now the chicken wings are done, you can go ahead and enjoy them. They are crispy on the outside and very moist on the inside.